My name is Sam Gugino. I live at 126 West Gravers. We just bought our house about 2 weeks ago and had a problem with a drain backing up in our basement. I called Precision Plus, looked online, found their name. They called me back within probably about 25 or 30 minutes. They said they'd be here between 12 and 1, and they were here between 12 and 1. Derek was very professional, came in, looked around, was very thorough in finding out the problem and explaining how much it would cost to fix the problem, and did a very good job, and we're very pleased.